Hey, what's happening, guys? D Mill is here, independent recording artist, businessman. And today I'm going to be reviewing Dsound, which is audio sharing application on the Steem blockchain, guys. So independent artists like me can get rewarded for my creations, guys. So let me go and upload a song right now, guys, and show you how it's done while reviewing this new application. So now we are on dsound.audio, guys. So as we can see here, guys, this is the feed, guys, and we have songs right here we can play, and we can click and go into this post, guys. So this is Escapism, original instrumental music by Darren Claxton. We can see here he made $13 so far, 88 upvotes, 3 comments. Here's his picture. 1.1k followers, or 1k followers. Click the pick to play the tune. All right, so let's see. So we can see that the songs play instantly, so that's good, guys. That's a plus. The songs do play instantly. So let me log into my Dsound account using the keys from my Steem wallet, guys. Okay, so I'm going to use my posting keys, which are already in the Brave browser. Log in. Logging successful. So you see me here, guys. D Millies. Now I'm liking this song, so I'm gonna go ahead and upvote, guys. Alright, so it's upvoted. Did that change? Guess it takes some time to change, but I upvoted, guys. So I added to his rewards. Very cool, guys. Nice sounding track. Alright, guys, let's head over to my feed, guys. Now here is a bummer. Here's one thing that I don't like about Dsound. So I had at least 5 tracks posted on Dsound and they are all gone. Oops, looks like you didn't spread love for a while. Just click on upload above and share your sounds. So my files are deleted, guys, because Dsound runs on IPFS and there's expenses and it's a young app. So yeah, guys, that's a big disadvantage, but also an advantage, which I'll state later. So now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and upload a new track. So I already have the track ready here. It's called Be the Dream. So I'm dragging this track over right here. Yeah. Okay, that didn't work. Dragging the file. So let's see if to drag the file again. Okay. So drag and drop your file here. So that's not working, guys. Not working in Brave browser, at least. So let me find the file, guys. Let's see. Where's that file? Be the Dream. Alright, so it's processing now. Uploading to IPFS. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and write a description. Be the Dream. Whip. Work in progress. Demo. So I already have some information saved. So I'm gonna go ahead and let me go ahead and paste it. Alright, hey, Dsound Steamiverse. Yeah. Now I'm gonna choose a category. So this is a demo track. What genre is this? I'd say dance hall. Tags original music. Should that be one word? I'm not sure. Original music. What let's see what they say to do. Tag, comma separated. Okay, so original music, reggae music. Let's see, Dsound would automatically show up. So let's leave it there, guys. And let's put live. So down here we have download button. So download gate URL, leave empty for direct download from Dsound. So if I click this off, guys, people won't be able to download this track, but it's okay. People can download. And if your track was also selling, example on iTunes, or you had some outside link like a link tree, you could press that button, add your link. Yeah, your preferred music store. So this is a demo track, guys. It's not yet available. Sound uploaded. Okay, what do I need to do next? The cover art, guys. Okay, so let me grab my cover art, which I prepared already using Canva, guys. So you can use Canva if you're not sure how to do that. All right, so let's see if it uploads. All right, nice, guys. So guys, this is a very simple cover art. It's kind of cliche, but you know, that's how it is. That's how it is sometimes, guys. So I can go ahead and add more things into this blog, like, you know, I could add pictures, you know, markdown into this blog, but I won't get into that right now. I'll do that later after this video, guys. All right, so next I need to press next somewhere. Okay, publish. So guys, let's go ahead and publish, guys. Publish this song to Dsound. I hope they like it. Publish. All right, so let's see now. Your song was published. Why Monkey Medicine Man? That's funny. So let's check our sounds now, guys. My sounds. Be the Dream, Whip, Work in Progress, Demo. Alright, guys, so my track is here and live. If I wanted, I could be a bastard and upvote myself, but I'm not. I'm not gonna do that. But that's quite fine if I wanted to. So let's see how fast the track plays. Yeah. So instant, guys. Yes, yes. That was quick. That was really quick, guys. Alright, so I don't like how these tags are looking. Come on. Original music. The comma, guys. Reggae. Come on. Life. Come on. Jamaica. Alright. Yeah, the boy never broke. Alright. Better, guys. So we changed the hashtags, guys. Use the commas. So guys, I got one upvote so far, worth 0. So we're gonna see. So guys, you can come and listen to that track, guys. But I'm gonna leave it here for a while and see how many upvotes I get within a certain time. And so guys, I want to go ahead and explain some things here. I can only get rewarded for this track for 7 days. So to many that might be a big disadvantage, but at the same time, I think where content creation is going, a lot of content won't have a long shelf life, you know, which is kind of sad, but that's where I see things going. And with this, guys, 7 days, so I think it's the perfect platform to premiere songs. Yeah, so you premiere your songs here on Dsound, and then you trickle it down to other platforms, guys. Maybe other blockchain platforms, the more centralized platforms. I think this is where Dsound actually fits in, guys. So this is a platform to premiere and showcase fresh music and get rewarded, guys. So I don't think it's where you want to post your music like your main place. This is like the premiere spot, guys. That's the way I see it. Yeah, so the only disadvantage, guys, I've seen, guys, the only disadvantage is the fact that, you know, the 7 days and my tracks have disappeared. I had, as I said, at least 5, maybe 6 tracks, and they are no longer here, guys. How I think they could improve Dsound, I think like after the 7 days, they should make it possible for someone to click and give me a tip if they like the song. It would be easy, for someone to just send me the Steam, but people aren't like that. So if there was like a small widget on my Dsound page that said, tip, and people could just click and send, 0.1 Steam, 1 Steam. They could send any amount of Steam they wanted to send and tip me, or even other currencies. That would be fantastic. Because right now, after 7 days, this track is basically non-existent. Most people won't even see it again because of the nature, the fast pace of this community. So it's a good place to premiere songs, guys. That's the way I see it. Out of five, I'm gonna give them 3.5 out of 5 stars, guys. Why? The track disappear and only 7 days to earn, but they can improve that if they had a tipping system, if they had the D sound token or something to reward people after the 7 days. That would be fantastic. But user interface is good. It's fast. All right, guys. So we are back, and it hasn't even been 5 minutes, and I have made $1.06, guys. So that is good. Um, this might not happen all the time. Depends on the time of day you post. Depends on a lot of factors. How deep you are in the community, how many people you engage with. So, but there's a lot of potential here at Dsound. As I said before, a great place to premiere music, great place to meet some new musicians, and to network and collaborate with other independent artists, guys. So it's a very interesting application. I think you should check out if you are a musician or if you are interested in indie music, guys. So that's D.Sound. I'll leave the links below. And also, guys, I'll leave the link to my song, the direct link, so you can hear it on Dsound and you can see how much it's earning at that moment, guys. So this is D Millers signing out. Thank you for watching.